Write down even the question also. A concave mirror. Concave mirror. And Rita, you can see there. A concave mirror produces three times magnified real image. We did this one. But magnify, no, I think we have not done this. We didn't do. 3 times the magnified real image of object. Okay, if it isn't, you write down fast. We'll do next also. Okay, real image of object placed at 10 centimeter in front of it. Where is the image located? Last problem we did, I think. No, okay, but in confusion we did. We'll finish it, then we'll go. Yeah. Where is the image? Where is the image located? Okay. So a concave mirror produces 3 times the magnified real image. Okay, magnification is 3, and whenever it is a real image, it is always negative. Write down when M is negative, it is a real image. Please concentrate here and learn, because at the end it will become difficult together to read. Okay, and M is positive for virtual image. And write down this as a note part, important. Okay, M is less than 1. M is less than 1 for diminished image. For diminished image. Okay, and M is more than 1. More than 1 for enlarged image. Okay. Now they have given M is equal to -3 and object distance they have given 10, that is -10 centimeter. So where is the image located? So we have to find the V. M is equal to -V by U. M is equal to -V by U. This is the formula what we have. So M it is -3, that is equal to -V by -10. Minus by minus is plus, -3 is V by 10, or V is equal to -30 centimeter. So here, okay, so minus indicates what? It's a real image, because minus means what? Wherever the U is there, even in the on the same side, V is also there. That means what? There it is actually a real image will be formed. So that is also indication that a real image is formed. Okay. Right down. The image formed by a concave mirror. By a concave mirror is observed to be virtual. It is observed to be virtual, erect, and larger than the object. Okay. Where should be the position? Where should be the position of the object? The image formed by a concave mirror is observed to be virtual, erect, and larger than the object. Where should be the position of the object? Between Yeah, F and P. So the object should be kept between the object is placed between F and P. That is between the pole of the mirror and its principal focus and its principal focus. Next one. Then an object an object of size 7 centimeter is placed at 21 centimeter in front of the in front of a concave mirror of focal length 18 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should the screen be placed? Should the screen be placed so that a sharp focused image is formed? So that a sharp focused image is formed. Find the size and nature of the image. Find the size and nature of image. Okay. So an object of size 7 centimeter. Size of the object is 7 centimeter. That means what? H naught. It is not the distance, size they have given. So it is H naught, it is 7 centimeter. And it is placed at 27 centimeter in front of the concave mirror. So what is telling? The object is at 27 centimeter. So U is minus 27 centimeter. And focal length, it is given as 18 centimeter. Now focal length is positive or negative, Raga? Positive or negative here? Positive. Okay. Aditya? Negative. Okay. Mohita, what will be positive or negative? Negative. Why means concave mirror. Yesterday we discussed, no, whenever it's a concave mirror, F will be negative. Okay. Convex, it will be plus. So F you have to take it as negative, minus 18. At what distance from the mirror should be the screen? What distance from the mirror should the screen be placed? That means what V he is asking. So you are getting the image on the screen. That means it should be a real image. Okay. And you have to find the size of the image. So we know F, U. We can find V. If you change the sign, what happens? Answer also will be different. Okay. So concave mirror, F will be negative and U is always negative because you are taking towards the front of the mirror. U is always negative. Which one? You always, both concave and convex. So H naught, it is 7 centimeter. U, it is minus 27 centimeter. V you have to calculate. F is equal to minus 18 centimeter. So mirror formula, which is a mirror formula, 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Okay, V you have to calculate. So 1 by V is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U. Okay. So 1 by V is equal to 1 by minus 18. Minus of minus here it will be. Okay. So 1 by V is equal to minus 1 by 18 plus 1 by 27. 54 you will get. Okay. 54 by LCM is this. 18 and 27 LCM is 54. Okay. Simplification just see once. LCM by denominator. 54 by 18 how much you will get? 3. Okay. This 3 you have to multiply with the numerator. So 3 into minus 1. So it is minus 3 plus. Again 54 by 27. 2. So this 2 you have to multiply with 1. So it is 2 here. So 1 by V is equal to minus 3 plus 2. It is minus 1 by 54. V is equal to minus 54 centimeter. That is from the mirror you have to keep in the front of the mirror at a distance of 54 centimeter. Say here they have given it's a real image. So real image is formed in the front of the mirror, correct? V is also getting negative. So that means whatever calculations we would have done, it will be correct. Okay. Still then what else is asked? Now what is the nature of the image here? It is real and inverted. On the same side if you are getting it's real and inverted, right? Huh. Nature of the image is it is real and inverted. Okay, and he's asking the size. So how to calculate the size? You have to use the magnification formula. Okay, so magnification m is equal to, we have minus v by u, and also m is equal to hi by h naught. Hi is what? Height of the image. H naught is height of the object. Okay, so both are telling about the magnification only. So I can write minus v by u. Just close the door. So minus v by u is equal to hi by h naught. Okay, you want the size of the image. Size of the image is what? Hi. So hi is equal to minus v by u into h naught. Okay, height of the object he has given 7. V and u we know, you can calculate the h. Understood or not? See, magnification means what? It is enlarged or diminished, we will note it. So that is equal to minus v by u. This one formula yesterday we studied. Another way how to find the magnification is hi by h naught. That is what is the height of the image. Think you are getting 10. Okay. Height of the object is 5. Then how much is magnified? 2 times. See, the scale is there. That scale image you will get. The image size I am getting, or height of the image I am getting 10 centimeter. Okay. But size of the scale is 5 centimeter. Okay. So what will be magnification? It becomes 2 times. Correct. So that means what? It is hi by h naught. 10 by 5. Understood, no? So magnification, it is, we can use the two formulas. One is minus v by u, other one is hi by h naught. Same, they are the same. Both are indicating magnification only. Because I want hi, they have not directly given the magnification m, so that's why I have written it. Okay. So minus v by u is equal to hi by h naught, or height of the image is equal to minus v by u into h. Hi is equal to minus v by u into h naught. So hi is equal to minus, what is v? V is equal to, we are getting minus 54, no? 50, 54, I think. 54. 4, no? Minus 54 by u, that is minus 27 into 7. So minus into minus, plus, plus by minus, minus. We'll get, this will be 2 times. 2 into 7. Hi is equal to minus 14 centimeter. Okay, that means what, height is 14 centimeter. Okay, size of the image is 14 centimeter. Here it is giving that minus sign, no? See, when we studied, what we learned, when you are getting in the opposite direction, see, below the pole we measure in negative sign, correct? So whenever you are getting inverted, you are keeping here in this direction, you will get the inverted image down the pole. So that's why we are getting negative. So signs also, if you are getting answer correct, that means you would have done all the things correct. That is only verification. Okay. I just seeing that you will know. Okay. Most of the time it will be correct. Whatever of curvature of concave mirror is 12 centimeter. Then find the focal length. Focal length. Calculate and tell me now. So R is equal to 2 times F. So R is 12, that is equal to 2 times F. F is equal to 12 by 2. So F is equal to 6 centimeter. Since it's concave, it is negative. Focal length, focal length of a plane mirror. Plane mirror means what we use in the home, right? Plane mirror. What is the focal length of a plane mirror? It is infinity. Correct. It is infinity. Always remember the focal length of a plane mirror. It is infinity. Okay. So it is infinite. Just write down. Sometimes they ask in the MCQs. So focal length of a plane mirror will be infinite. Huh? Because the focal length will be towards. It is plus only because. If not, the focal length can be that side also, this side also. Correct. You can't tell. Correct. Next, an object is placed. An object is placed at a distance. Next one, of 10 centimeter in front of a plane mirror. In front of a plane mirror. Then the distance of image. Then the distance of image from mirror will be, how much it will be? Say it's a plane mirror. Again, it's about the plane mirror. An object is at a distance of 10 centimeter in front of the mirror. So where the object image will be found? 10 centimeter. So in front of the mirror, if you stand in front of the mirror, if you go back, even the distance also increases. The image distance also increases. If you observe, if you come in front of the mirror, then that image distance also reduces. So it will be always the same. Object distance, if it is 10 centimeter, image distance is also 10 centimeter. Okay. the image formed by a concave mirror is observed to be real, inverted, and larger than the object. Where is the object placed? Where is the object placed? Huh. Draw the ray diagram for this. Draw the ray diagram. Draw the ray diagram. Concave mirror. This is the focus, sorry, pole, and this is focus and C. If you keep the object between C and F, draw one ray parallel to the principal axis. So that always listen here, any ray parallel to the principal axis passes through the focus. It passes through the focus. Okay. Then another ray in the direction of the C. In the direction of the C. It retraces its path. So image will be where the races meet, their image will be formed. There the image will be formed. Done. Their image will be formed. Here it is a real inverted, and this image is a real inverted and enlarged image. Okay. Next one. You people tell the answer for this next question. How many letters? 7. Huh? Eighth one. Write down the question. A child is standing in front of a magic mirror. She finds the image of her head bigger, the middle portion of her body of the same size. Okay, and that of the legs smaller. This is exam question only actually, smaller. CBSE 2020 question, exam question. Okay, smaller. Explain the construction of the magic mirror using different types of mirror. State the reason. So child is standing in front of a magic mirror. Her head will be bigger. Middle portion, it is of same size, and that of the legs, it's smaller. Now find the construction of the magic mirror using different types of the mirror and state the reason. You got So one child is standing in front of the magic mirror, and he has told that it is made of this. The construction of the mirror is by different types of the mirror. Okay, so in the mirror, what is saying, where the image is bigger, that is, our head is bigger, right? So there it should be a concave mirror, correct? Because it should be a concave mirror, because virtual image, see, the person has to see the virtual image, because we want erect image there, correct? A child's erect image we want, whenever we see in the mirror it should be erect to see it properly. So a virtual and erect image, if in a concave mirror only, we will get enlarged. So this portion will be a concave mirror. Then in the middle, it should be plane mirror, because virtual and same size you should get. So it should be a plane mirror. Okay. And at the end, it should be convex mirror. Why convex mirror? Because we should get virtual and it should be diminished image. Okay, we can do that. So you people also got started, no? Real one. Linear equation. Arithmetic equation. Completely different chapters they started. So this is done, right? Write down this. Write the answer for this now. The magnification produced by a spherical mirror is -3. List the four information you obtain from the statement. Huh. He has not told anything. Only this much is good. Huh. Why it's concave? Correct. My magnification is there, and you are getting real and inverted. No, minus means, so it should be concave. Correct. So m is equal to -3. What and all we will know from this? Correct. Real inverted. That's it. It's a concave mirror magnified. So here, whenever you are getting minus, okay, whenever you are getting minus, so it should be a real image. So image is first one. It is real image. Okay. Why it is real? Whenever you are getting m as minus, it indicates it should be a real image. Okay. And whenever you are getting real, it should be inverted. Whenever you are getting real image, you will get inverted image. And whenever you are getting virtual image, you will get in erect image. So here real means it will be inverted. Okay. Next. 3 indicates what? It is magnified. Magnified image. Okay. Fourth one, it should be a concave mirror. Why concave mirror? Because magnified image we get only in concave mirror, not in convex mirror. You should not consider minus further. Minus only will indicate real or virtual. The number what we see, right? That is the one you have to see. Always like that. Okay, minus 3 means less than 1 you are considering. No, you should not consider like this here. Here, sign it is just to know which is we are getting real means minus, virtual means plus. The number you have to consider. Only the number. No. Okay. The magnification produced is 1 by 2. Where should do this everyone? Where should the object be placed to get a magnification of 1 by 3? See, when an object is placed at a distance of 60 centimeter from the convex spherical mirror, the image produced, the magnification produced is 1 by 2. Now, if you want the magnification to be 1 by 3, where you have to place the object? So, first thing, it's a convex mirror, and they have given 60 centimeter and magnification 1 by 2. So, first find VF for the, then using that, next for the second case, you can try. Okay, tomorrow will you do it and come this problem? Everyone should try and do it. Okay, don't tell me any reason. Only one problem given, everyone should do. Okay. Tell me now, like who in your school they have started linear equation? Linear they have not started. They have done. All chapters they have done. Okay. But linear you have done. In your school? Next they will start linear. After? For you people they have started linear equations. Huh? Finished also. You Madhumita.